Raindrops on
Kittens.
roses and whiskers on
Kittens.
bright copper kettles and warm woolen
Mittens.
brown paper packages tied up with.
Things.
These are a few of my favorite
Things.
cream-colored ponies and crisp apple
Strawberry.
doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with
Noodles.
noodles. Okay, hold on. Wild geese that fly with the moon on their.
Wings.
These are a few of my favorite.
Things.
When the dog,
Bye.
when the bee, when the dog,
Bye.
when the bee. Come on. When the bee,
Things.
when I'm feeling,
Sad.
I simply remember my favorite.
Things.
And then I don't feel so.
Bad.
Yay, Ari! Good singing.